So, hello guys, hope you're fine. Welcome to another episode of Salesforce courses. And I hope we are going to deploy all the stuff today, but I can't promise to be honest. Um, let's go deep into it. Let's go for the change set. Let's log in and let's go for the developer console after this. So it's gonna be loading in the console here in the browser and also link to the Salesforce itself. So we don't need to go to this, so we just go like this. And we need to open up the stuff for um, the user story. I think it's about the ABC stuff. That's why we go like ABC and we open up the test and also we open up the mock, sorry, and also the AP something. What we're gonna do, we just have put a comment in here, I think, on the 12th of November test was successfully go for deployment risk. No data test curve. Participants fall in the wrong. Yeah, sure. The data can fail, of course. And what we want to do, actually, where we did put the ID. Actually, I don't know where we put the ID. Maybe there's where we have put the ID actually. There's going to be an ID for the Google ID. Like a Google folder, maybe it's something about the folder. Um, folder, no, it's about maybe in here, I think. Um, let's go for like that's like a subject. It's not what I need. Um, I think it's about in the Google connection. Maybe let's see. Request get Google tuning response. No, it's the okay. We have put it in the connection, so we can put it. Another connection, and then we're able to put it in. We have it right away, of course. That's a folder, and for sure we can put the folder in there. We just can put the folder in there. So let's go for the deployment for sure. The deployment is going to go into this environment, and for the deployment we will go for the. I think we are in dev YAML, correct? So what we're gonna do is like um, we are going into the right one. Let me see, I think we already got the dev yum. That's why we can go for it. But let me have a look on it. We can go for the usernames. Just like an overview, dev yum. Is it some maybe? Dev yum, right. We have the dev yum in here, so we can get the information at first. So we go for project data, we go for this. No, let's just go for this one. So we have to change that. We don't need to change anything in here. So let's go for, I think, already changed. So we go for the retrieve change set. It's the ABC one. And so we are getting all the stuff from there. We're getting the stuff, but we cannot deploy it from there. We just need to put in the right data and deploy it from right there. Maybe we could change the code to be able to deploy it from the change set because we don't need to change anything here. Maybe we also should do it to make sure that next time we just can hit a checkbox or something and then we can deploy right away from there. But let me see. I think we can just put it back. And then it's kind of putting it in. And I have also the other change set, so I think that's a good one. I don't need to save this. I just need to get the right deployment. So what I gotta do, I just downloaded stuff already, but I forgot to implemented correctly. So add that here. It's about the deployment, it's about this one, and we go to dev demo, I think. Let me see if it's right. Let's go for no, it's directly, it's not dev demo. It's going directly. So it's like in here, and then we're going into it, and it should be this one. So this one is fine. And what I do now, I will just I have put it back so I can do it something like unzip. Yeah, we can unzip the stuff, and so um, we can make a backup. From here, I just make a backup. Also, it's the wrong stuff. Where I want to put it, let me see. I will put it into the development environment and also in the production. Let me see that this maybe into the production somewhere. Let's go for the target system. And also let's go for the internal stuff maybe. I think it's the internal stuff. And what I need to do is I just need to go through all the data for sure. Now we don't have many people to develop, and so I'm the only developer, and so I can put it in every single environment actually, except one environment, which is going to be the demo order. Anyway, if there's something wrong or something is not working properly, um, I as a developer can take it out of the kit later on, so it's fine. And from now, I think I'm gonna take the internal ones. Um, but I just need to reconsider it a little bit. I just need to get the internal ones, I think. Um, maybe we need to make sure that we are going over the right environment in here. This can be a user story next time, but this time I will just provide the stuff. But maybe next time, just in the meantime, we should just create a user story for sure, just because we have found a problem, an issue, and we should take it on. So from now, we should provide the stuff via, let's see what we can do. We could also just skip the ones for sure, and we can skip the development environment. But I need to reconsider it a little bit at least. Um, Let me see. Um, this is what I'm gonna do, I think. I will just put it into the next environment. Let's go for the user stories for sure. We need an overview for the user stories. Let's go for the repos. Let's go for the user story sandboxes. And what we do now, we just wait for the stuff to happen, and then we go for the but for now, we have some kind of things. This is so the dev 01 shouldn't be yeah, the dev 01, the dev 02, but not always. We can put some stuff into this, but maybe we shouldn't do this, right? So maybe later on or in the future, we need an overview about this. Um, so this is still executing, to be honest. So but we can put some stuff in there. I think for now we should go for deploying the stuff. Anyway, if something is overwritten, we will have a backup anyway of the state, just because we will get the backup of all the stuff. And so the next developer can go into um, yeah, into the data and can get the backup. That is possible for sure. So the data won't be away, but also we could do something like later on. Um, we considered a little bit to have data like the deployment relating to the sandbox. That is why we need maybe a deployment and an overview about what kind of deployment is open, what kind of data is going to be open there. So in the future, we need to apply for a specific metadata. This is going to be a process. That's why maybe we just should apply for this one relating to a sprint, and then it's going to be fine. But maybe we should just go for the stuff we have now. Maybe we don't need the process and we can go on like this. So what I'm going to do is I just take on all the internal stuff, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the development internal. Okay, don't have 1, 2, 3 and something for internal. And so what I got to do, I just will go for the production and the UAT. So we're gonna go for live. And after this, I will just leave it alone. Maybe we just don't need to get the actual data. It depends on. Maybe we should have taken it, but I won't do it. So I will leave it alone at this point. I will not provide any data into the development stuff. And so if somebody is gonna getting a new user story, then they will need the new stuff for sure. So the new, um, I think I should do it like this. It seems a good approach. So for now, we have the deployments. It's gonna be the deployment. It's gonna be the sprint. Sprint from this week. Let's say sprint one. I just put in sprint one. I will put it like production. What we have put into production, I will provide here. And so you can go into the environments and if we create a new ticket or we are giving a new ticket, then we can put the data or give the data. Okay. I think that should be fine actually. Or no, it's not this one. Maybe I should go like this, and this is a good approach. Okay, let's go for the. It's not this one. Take over the group. You will see that it's taken over here. It's taken over the live. Okay. Then you have the deployment preparation. Deployment preparation. Okay, we can go like the target is going to be array, and then we can take the backup for sure. So we're going to get the backup. So it's going to opening two backups, and it will take the backup. In the meantime, because it's a deployment, we should reconsider it, and the process is correct, and if you're doing the right thing and something like this, um, should go on. So for now, we have the backup. I just want to make sure that I really got the backup. So we have the I'm doing it. I'm doing it alone, and so it's, yeah, I should go over it a couple of times. So in here, you will see the backup. I think this one. And so we have the backup for UAT report. Yeah, okay. Created the backup in here, but it created a backup for the production, also the UAT for sure. And so it went into UAT and something like this. I hope so. It's really UAT, but it should be, yeah. Because the process before said it would be the correct one, and so it should be correct. That's why we can trust the system and trust backup, because I developed it on my own actually, and every um, every development goes with tests. I think it's fine. It's taking the stuff from the deployment and from the UAT, and the methods are relating to each other, so it should be fine. As we are following the process. Okay, for now we have the backups. So as we have the backups, we can go for deploying the stuff. And so I will just put in the right number. Just rename this one. Let's go for deployment stuff. And we need to run the tests for sure. We're just taking the local tests. So we should go through all the tests that are written by us, because so we make sure that all the stuff in there is working. That's why we are not using one specified test. Of course, no test one, and we cannot use it because we want to provide it for the live environment. So we should just go to this one. That's why we are going for the local test and also not our tests, because it's too much. We also external tests and too much, so we are going for the internal tests and also local tests. For now, we have all the backups. As we have all the backups, we can deploy. Yeah, we are deploying it. We are hitting deploy. It's opening up stuff like this. And as we are going for the UAT and also the stuff like this, I hope this is going to be it. Okay, we are going for the deployment status for sure. Maybe it can taking 8 errors. So we have 8 errors, not a big deal. We will go for it. 8 errors. We cannot go for working time font. Could not find fields. So the working time is going to be a custom metadata record. Okay. We just go for the stuff. We need to get the right stuff, and as it's going to be a new stuff, then we just don't need to get a new backup, as we just only need a backup for already existing components. And so next time we can get several components at once, and maybe we also can get just one component because we have just added one component, and so we put it like this, and we can just back up the differences of something. Yeah, just maybe we can put it like this. But for now, we need to go for like the working time font. Working time font is okay. Let's go for add, and we are adding the right stuff. Font, Bild, Titel, Datum, Beschreibung. It's gonna be a field for sure. It's a custom field. It's a custom field. It's gonna be a custom field, and so it's like contract element. Okay, let's go for this. Could not find fields. Field name. Okay, it's a field name. Work time, but field name. okay, it's kind of a field name. That's why field name. Let's go for the working time. It's gonna be the field name something. Should be like this actually. Um, field name. Field market. From here we will go for this. We just put it in. It's just a new item, so we don't need to back up this from another environment because we are within a sandbox, and in the sandbox we will create new stuff. That's why we're not going for this. Let's go on. It's the same error. What is not custom field? Custom field. It's going to be the field name. Okay, maybe we already solved this, so we go for we just download the stuff again. We just download this one. We retrieve it. Nothing more, I think. We just need to re-put this stuff. And so we just need to go to the deployment and re-put the number. Click save. Okay, this side is green, so it's going to be fine. And so by now, we just have the actual, we downloaded the actual change set for this. Yeah, downloaded it, and so we can click deploy. We have made sure that we have all the backups in there already, so it's not going to be a big deal, and it's fine in my opinion. So we can go for the deployment status again. So this is going to be the indicator. If it's working in here, it's also kind of working in the UAT for sure. So it's going through all the tests by now. It's taking time. As you can see, there are errors. Okay, that's going to be an issue. Change folder ID. Reply video request. Okay, we changed the change folder ID, so maybe we just forgot to do something, and let's go for the HTTP Google request. We just need to create a new method for this. Just need to close other text. We go for the deployment status. Let's go for change folder ID for sure. So we just need to make sure that the stuff in here, the change folder ID, is going to be working. So strings can be string. So we have 4 in here. We have 4 of this. As you can see here, we already have 4. Okay. What I'm going to do now, I will just compare this one to the production environment. And that's why I'm going to go like this. Now you know that's not going to be the production, it's going to be our sandbox, but we have the backup. We saw the backup is in here. The backup is from the production, this one. We are not changing any stuff, but we need to get the HTTP Google request. So we go for Erweiterung compare status first, and also go for this, and then we are comparing this stuff for sure. And now we can see some changes in here. This is what we just need to make sure. We have to change metadata. Okay, we changed it. Change file name. Let's see, we have to change file names. What do we need? We change folder ID. Right? We just need to change folder ID. We have here. So let's move change folder ID here. Let's go for I think we should change it like this one. Field ID, folder ID, remove parents. We will go for this line. Okay. We just need to put in this stuff for sure. So we can go like this. can come from anywhere, yeah, maybe from another sandbox or something. That's not really scheduled, but we are making it right for now. This one should be there, and also we need to put in like this. It's going to be added, so we're going to go like this, and we edit this stuff. Mm, that's going to be fine, in my opinion. Um, if metadata is not, then we can also take this over. Yes, also like this. We can take this over. Also, here, and something has come into it again. Maybe we should put the together, but this should be fine actually. And so we have all the stuff in here, and we will change it just in this environment again. Click save. Let's give it a try. Is it working? And also we have a backup for this, like didn't make it backup like a backup, but we have downloaded it, and so we have it right away, so we don't need to be concerned about this. So what we're going to do now, we download it again. It's not like, no, it's like this, I guess. We will just, we didn't put any new data in there, that's why we don't need the backup, but we will put the deployment and then we can deploy it. So we're just taking the steps we need to take and nothing more. We are not following some strict processes, we are following the logic and what is good for this. Let's deploy it again. We go to the deployment status. Okay, let's deploy it again. Okay, we have no, okay, we have an error again, so to be honest. So double bind, okay, we have no, okay, I think we have no space on the computer left. So what we're gonna do now, we go to the call as a PX app data. Let's go for Christoph Lieske. Let's go for the user, Christoph Lieske, the app data local. Data local SFTX. Not modules. Bunyan something. It's called Bunyan. Bunyan this one. And ID this one. Bunyan. Okay. There's not gonna be any space in there anymore. That's strange to be honest. Let me see. No space left on device. Okay, that's an error I can handle, I guess. Okay, good to know. Let's go for this one. Let's free a little data. But actually, there's not going to be any space on this. We should go for like further. Okay. This one, this one, this one. This I should just take to my extension new folder 2020 November, what's it called? Data, C, okay, C something. It's called record C. And I will put it like new. I think it should be fine actually. To be honest, C. And then it's gonna be this one again. Gonna be this one. Only from C. I just removed it from C, so I need to be able to re-put it if necessary. So we get it from C. It's okay. We can put it in here again. Let's see if I get enough data. And now we will have more space. Okay. I think that should be enough actually. And that's why we go for the deployment again. So we're going to deploy it in the UAT as well. We need to be sure. So now it's going to be fine. Great. It was the shortest way I could go. That was the status. And let's wait for it a little bit. Yeah, it's kind of taking some errors in there. What is it called? Does it introduce a Redux pattern test? Deployment from the routine. Something is wrong in the returns. Okay. Just this one. I think the HTTP something is in here, isn't it? HTTP will request correct the routine also, and so we just changed something in the routines. That's why we go for this. And also we open up the returns test. Let's go for the regex pattern test. That's why because the errors are there. And we need to go like returns, hit save. Wait a minute. Okay, actually nothing here. But in here, get new deployment. Method doesn't exist, I'm going to the signature, what get new deployment. Let's go for this. Okay, I think it's not working out. No, it's not working out. So the data hasn't been in here, and I didn't implement the process yet, and so it's gonna be here. That's why I need to get it from here for sure. So what I'm gonna do again is I'm going to the backup. Oh yeah, that's the backup. That's great. We're going for the routine. We just close all the other stuff. And also we go for this one. I think it's this one. No, from status is this. Get new deployment. Go like this one and open it up. Go here. Hit satisfy. Hit compare. Okay, what are we gonna do now? We have the 55 and 54 in here actually, so it has not been deployed earlier on. So we need to put it in here. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We can test this out for sure. We need to deploy this step by think that's going to be fine. And so let's go on. That's a new deployment from the suite. That's why I'm going to put it in the new as well. Okay, it's going to be new. The lead Schatten is like, get me a lead Schatten. You need to put in the last name, the language, and also the presentation. That's why I'm putting it in this. Get me a project is also necessary, I guess. It's going into the environment, that's why it's necessary. We need to put the new stuff if we are going to give a new user story, so you don't need to change it right away, I guess. But maybe we should do it. And also the if possible, we can change it for sure. And I guess if this is not going to be working, I will just open up the actual stuff and I won't download it again. Get new link. Get new case. Okay, I think that's going to be fine. So what I'm going to do now, I take this one out and I will just go to this one. And with the root times, isn't it? And with the root times in Germany, we just save and try it out. So there's an error. Something does not work out, so just okay. 201 is already fine. Actually, we go for like close this one and also close this one. We downloaded the stuff, and so we go like in here, in here, in here, in here, in here, in here, and also we go like so we have the 5, 6 at the end, isn't it? So we can develop this stuff. That's yummy. We can now open it for sure. We can now open the unpackaged stuff. We have opened it. We have classes. We have returns. Then we go for this one. Now we can just close it again. Override it, and now we are able to deploy it. So we have the right stuff from the production. Let's cover the deployment. Maybe it's going to be an error or not. Let's go for the deployment stuff. I think pretty much the same error in here. It should be. Then we go for it. I think we have forgotten to take out something. Let's go for like close all the other stuff. We go for the get return field. The 201 there was an error, I guess. No, we get new code. Would be fine actually. Okay. Okay, maybe I just figured it out, but get new deployment stuff. Let's go for the backup again. I think the backup is in here. Just to make sure I don't need to click again. That's going to be the backup. So we're better able to understand. This is UAT production. We're taking the backup from the production for sure. Open. And now we are opening up this is called the backup. Okay. And now we're opening up the backup. The backup is going to the left. So we're going to set this first. And we're going to compare the stuff for sure. Okay. Let's close it again. Did I just no, I think I completed it. I will just download it again just to be sure that we're getting the right stuff. I think go for in here. You can delete this one. We had a copy already, so we can use a copy for sure. Now we are copying it again. What I'm gonna do now, I just open it up and also the backup. Open up the backup. The returns. And this one. So I opened up the backup, and so I just will set it as first. And now I open up the stuff I want to upload. So I go for this one, this is. I think that is a better way to do it. I need to put in this stuff. It's kind of working in UAT and also in UAT and also in what's it called production, but other environments maybe does not. But we need to make sure that it's working. So we need to make sure that we are putting all the stuff, not all the parts. And also will give me okay, what we got, I think we got it. It's safe. We just put it in, not use the backup. Yeah. We just put it in, and also we just deploy the stuff for now. And if not, we will have time next time. Yeah? We just put it like this. We will take a picture or just this deployment. Yeah? The other stuff we already have put. And so write this deployment. I think the other stuff we can know already. Okay. Yeah, for about 6 hours, it's about less for sure. So we have this one, comment, this one. It's not okay. We comment this, and then we have the details in here. We have the details, so that's going to be the ID and also the date. And so we are able to figure out. We have the errors in here, so we can just get out the errors. We should just save the errors and folder to other stuff. Let's go for 2020 something. Okay, what's that? Promise that I'm able to figure it out. And I will upload it here and then. Just need to get the right stuff in here. I think it's deployment status. We got it. Okay, guys. I would say have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Or maybe I can go on. No, let me see. I will go on with the stuff. I have a conversation with my worker now. Let's just go on. I think it's okay for now. Um, yeah, that's okay. But we will have another issue, maybe also in German, but let's see. Um, we will go on. I will just go into the meeting and then you can participate a little bit. Yeah. My worker already agreed on this, that she wanted to working. Okay, but let's see.
This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, Yamu. How's it going?
Hi Christoph, wie geht's?
Ja, gut. Can you switch to... Okay, eigentlich nur auf Deutsch. Also ja, mir geht's gut. Ich wollte bloß sagen, ich habe gerade noch ein YouTube-Video an. Ja?
Okay.
Wollte ich bloß Bescheid sagen. Ne? Also das ist nicht nur intern gestreamt, sondern halt auch jetzt in die Öffentlichkeit. Ne?
Okay.
Wollte ich bloß vorher sagen. Genau. Ja, nee, mir geht's gut soweit. Und wie war dein Wochenende?
Ja, gut.
Perfekt. Genau. Du warst ja damit einverstanden, wenn wir das auf YouTube und so weiter streamen, ne?
Okay.
Ja oder nein?
Ja, kein Problem.
Gut. Gut. Perfekt. Ja, dann können wir ja direkt einsteigen, würde ich sagen, ne? Oder.
Wie die Aufgabe?
Ja.
Noch nicht gelöscht.
Na gut, wir haben ja Montag. Ja, gut. Gucken wir mal an. Ja, die Frage ist halt verhakt, ne?
Letztes Mal, wir wollen das Deployment machen, aber das hat nicht funktioniert. Ich sag noch Fehler.
Aber du hattest dann eine neue Aufgabe, glaube ich, ne?
Ja, Aufgabe.
Also ich habe es natürlich nicht immer alles im Kopf, aber...
Ja, du wolltest mich eine neue Aufgabe geben, aber du sagst, ich löse diese Aufgabe weiter.
Ich muss da unbedingt aufschreiben, was ich beim letzten Mal besprochen habe. Wir müssen, glaube ich, mal anfangen, Meeting Minutes zu machen. Ich glaube, das ist eine ganz gute Idee. Dass man so ein bisschen weiß, was man letztes Mal besprochen hat. Hilf mir mal auf die Sprünge. Was war das letzte Mal dran für eine User Story?
Da war die GoToMeeting Interactive.
Okay, da sind wir auf Release vorbereiten. Genau. Genau, jetzt müssen wir mal gucken. Wir wollten da das Release vorbereiten. Am 9. November haben wir das letzte Mal gesprochen, okay. Da gab es Fehler. Achso, wir hatten dort noch Fehler, okay. Also soweit, okay, den Test hatten wir geschrieben, ne?
Denn das ist alles geschrieben.
Okay. Genau, ich muss mal kurz aufschreiben, was. Gut, das sind jetzt die Sandboxen hier. Dann gucken wir nochmal kurz. User Story. Nochmal die Yammer-Sachen. Belege, E-Mail-Adressen sind falsch. Okay, das wäre ja dann die nächste hier, die wir dir zugewiesen haben. Aha, also die haben auf jeden Fall schon mal... Die kennst du schon hier, die Aufgabe, ne?
Ah ja,
Genau, das war ja die neue Aufgabe. Hast du da schon was lösen können irgendwie? Irgendwas gemacht? Oder?
nein, das habe ich nichts gemacht.
Okay, das war ja die neue Aufgabe. Also das Deployment, da musst du dich jetzt nicht drum kümmern, ja?
Okay.
Das ist nicht deine Aufgabe. Das überlässt du dann bitte mir. Weil ich würde sagen, dass wir das so ein bisschen reinteilen, weil ansonsten, wenn jetzt jeder alles macht, das wird ein bisschen viel, glaube ich, ne? Du hast jetzt mal gesehen, wie so ein Deployment läuft. Das ist, denke ich mal, okay, so eine Schnittstelle. Wir müssen aber auch auf grün 2 kommen. Gibt es hier Fragen zu noch oder zu der Aufgabe hier?
Die Aufgabe, warte mal. Ja, ja. Die Acceptance Criteria, das war nur die 2.
Da gibt es da Fragen. Ja, was gibt es denn da?
Ja, wie soll das mit dieser Aufgabe gehen?
Also E-Mail-Adressen in den aktuellen Belegen werden korrekt angezeigt. Symptom beheben. Genau, wir gehen mal kurz auf Belege. Also die kannst du ja auch alle sehen. Du hast ja normalerweise Zugriff zu den Belegen, ne?
Okay.
Also die 1 ist soweit klar, oder ist es...
Nein. Was soll das heißen?
ja, wir waren beim letzten Mal im Meeting, haben das besprochen eigentlich, ne?
Das so haben wir das nicht.
Egal. Als Belegbearbeiter möchte ich, dass Belegen eine E-Mail zukommt, wenn diese geprüft wurden, sodass eine E-Mail an eine korrekte Adresse gesendet wird. So. Genau, es soll ja im Prinzip eine E-Mail rausgesendet werden, wenn diese geprüft worden sind. Das heißt, ich mache mal kurz irgendeinen Beleg auf, das ist mir egal welcher. Dabei kann man den Beleg prüfen. Kann man nämlich hier sagen, kann man hier nicht, okay. Aber auf jeden Fall kann man den Beleg prüfen. Mal kurz gucken, wo das genau ist. Müsste eigentlich hier sein. Datum müsste geändert werden. Datum Beleg URL. Beleg-ID. Datum E-Mail auf dem Beleg. Jetzt muss ich mal kurz gucken. Das Datum musste geändert werden. Dropscan. Was ist denn das mit der E-Mail? Mail. E-Mail auf dem Beleg. Unique. Prüf. Na, jetzt muss ich selber auch nochmal gucken. Prüfen. Prüf. Verify. Mal kurz gucken. Da gibt es 41 Mal, auch nicht schlecht. Auf falsches Datum geprüft. Ist das noch. Das kann sein, dass das noch nicht in der Umgebung ist, aber es müsste wenn dann in der Umgebung sein, ne? Das kann auch sein, dass es noch nicht in der Umgebung ist natürlich. Also in der jetzt muss ich mal kurz gucken, die E-Mail. Das wäre natürlich ein bisschen fatal, wenn man das nicht machen kann, ne? Hatten wir dafür schon, wir hatten dafür eine Developer-Org hatten wir schon zugewiesen, das ist die Dev02. Gucken wir uns das mal an, das wird die... Achso, ja, logisch, kann ich auch noch nicht. Interessant. Hat man hier nicht schon mal ein Username und eine Website ist hinterlegt. Das ist auch interessant. Link to Sandbox. Okay, ja, da hat man es gemacht. Sehr schön. Loggen wir uns mal ein, ob wir das da machen können. Also in der Produktion ist es anscheinend noch nicht drin.
Okay.
Muss gleich mal gucken, irgendwo war es nämlich schon drin. Wir hatten hier das Passwort von Desyamu schon. Warte mal. Kopieren wir mal kurz das Passwort. Ja. Ich habe nämlich das Passwort noch nicht korrekt hinterlegt hier. Weil er wird mich jetzt fragen, ob ich es korrekt hinterlegen möchte. Okay, Passwort aktualisieren natürlich. Jetzt gucke ich mal eben, dass wir hier so einen Beleg mal finden. Ja, genau. Beleg. Alle Belege. Okay. Recently viewed. Da haben wir ja entsprechend dann neu. Genau. Dann machen wir mal kurz, ja, von mir ist ein Webscan-Beleg. Test. Gibt es das hier? Nein. Ich baue jetzt einfach mal kurz einen Beleg hier zusammen, das ist erstmal egal, wie der heißt. Ist ja bloß dass man ein paar Testdaten da drin hat, ne?
Okay.
Und wir refreshen auch unsere Sandbox nicht, deswegen dann bleiben die Testdaten nämlich auch drin. Mache ich jetzt erstmal dahin, Test, Belegart, sowas hier. Quelle, Test, Belegstatus, bearbeiten bitte. Also ich denke mir, dass das noch nicht in der Produktion einfach drin ist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dankeschön. Genau. Okay, jetzt muss ich mal gucken, ob das hier irgendwo drin ist. Nö. Beleg URL, auf falsches Datum geprüft, Datum auf Beleg. Auch nicht. Kein Steuerberater. Okay. Das ist hier noch gar nicht drin, ist auch interessant. Okay, dann müssen wir halt mal gucken, dass wir das eventuell nochmal hier in deiner Umgebung alles deployen, weil bevor das nicht deployed ist, können wir nichts machen. Jetzt müssen wir mal gucken, dass wir gemeinsam das rausfinden, ja, woran das liegt. E-Mail-Adressen sind falsch. Die E-Mail an eine korrekte Adresse gesendet wird. Als Belegbearbeiter möchte ich, dass Belege einer E-Mail zukommt, wenn diese geprüft wurden. Achso, da soll ja genau, die Prüfung sollte erfolgen. Jetzt muss ich mal kurz gucken, wie die Prüfung... ich muss mal in den User Stories mal kurz gucken. Magst du ein bisschen aufpassen mit deinem Mikro, bitte? Das Jamu. Quatsch mit Soße. Belege wollte ich haben. Ne? Irgendwas mit E-Mail. Ja, nicht hier drin. Bitte mal alle Belege. Bitte mal den E-Mail-Krams. Google E-Mail-Adressen sind falsch. Belege und den E-Mail einmalig nicht benachrichtigen. Interactive Recording. Learning Course. E-Mail schreiben von einem Projekt, potenziell Mitarbeiter, ankommende E-Mails bestätigen, ankommende Dokumente, automatisieren, anlegen, einen nötigen Beleg benachrichtigen. Ist das schon gemacht worden? Ja, das ist completed. Einen nötigen Beleg benachrichtigen. Weil das hier ist ja irgendwie... Okay. Natürlich interessant. Bitte das Outbound Change, das ist erstmal egal hier. Da als Beleg möchte ich, dass sobald sich eine vorher definierte Beleg ankündigt, wird das vorher eingetragen wird. Aber das ist was anderes. Nee, das ist was anderes. Lebenslauf, ankommenden Beleg benachrichtigen. Der hier, aber das ist auch completed, okay. Das könnte der hier sein. Als Belegbearbeiter möchte ich, dass die E-Mails eine Belegs eingetragen wird, sodass eine E-Mail versandt wird, dass der angekommen ist. Ach so. Ah, okay, dann muss die E-Mail geprüft werden, okay. Gut, jetzt, dann passt das, okay. Wir haben hier einen Beleg, ne? Das habe ich beim letzten Mal aber auf jeden Fall schon mal erklärt, das weiß ich. Der Beleg hat teilweise E-Mails da drin. Ich muss mir mal kurz einen Report machen dafür. Ja? So dass wir da halt mal die Sachen angucken können, die dort drin sind. Überhaupt. Da gucken wir jetzt auch gemeinsam drauf einfach. Belege, jetzt gucke ich mal kurz alle Belege an und wie die E-Mails dazu aussehen. Ne? Das heißt, hier sind alle Belege mit URL, von dem Kram gehe ich mal aus, das ist schon mal ein ganz guter Report. Und in der Zwischenzeit hole ich mir aber hier nochmal einen Beleg. Alle Belege, ja. Was ist mit URL? Mit Beleg URL. Und dann habe ich hier zum Beispiel eine E-Mail-Adresse irgendwo. Ne? Jetzt muss ich mal kurz gucken, diese Fields to Display. Eine E-Mail-Adresse, das ist ja irgendwie, ne? E-Mail auf dem Beleg, genau, das muss ja hier irgendwie rein. Und dann kann ich das gleich danach ordnen. Ne? Also du siehst ja hier, das sind zwei Möglichkeiten, wie man sich das Ganze angucken kann. Und hier haben wir halt die Beleg-URL, okay. Dadurch, dass das mein eigener Report ist, kann ich den auch bearbeiten. Normalerweise würde man sich den halt klonen, sage ich mal. Ich kann ihn jetzt einfach so bearbeiten und kann jetzt sagen, dass ich mir hier eine E-Mail raussuchen möchte. E-Mail auf den Beleg und die E-Mail einfach mal nach oben packen, ne? Dass wir es da reinpacken und Save and Run machen. So. Dann haben wir hier E-Mail auf den Beleg, okay. Gut. Teilweise waren die E-Mails irgendwie falsch. Du siehst schon, dass einige E-Mail-Adressen hier irgendwie falsch sind. Ich weiß gar nicht, du musst mal prüfen auf jeden Fall, ne? Ob du Zugriff auf diese Ansichten hast und auch Zugriff auf diese Reports, ne? Weil bitte bedenke, dass du von mir die Rechte dazu brauchst, ne?
Okay.
Und bitte auch nicht Hände über den Kopf schlagen, wenn du mal was nicht schaffst. Entweder dann dich belesen oder gucken, dass du irgendwie weiterkommst. Ne? Wir müssen ja halt immer weiterkommen. Deswegen sprechen wir uns aber trotzdem pro Tag einmal ab. Ne? Darum geht es dann. Genau, jetzt können wir den Report hier auch schauen. Hier haben wir ja alle Belege. Interessant. Weil hier ist ja die E-Mail auf dem Beleg hinterlegt. Das ist komisch. Achso, ja. Weil wir hier eine Gruppierung drin haben. Gut, die Gruppierung würde ich mal rausnehmen und deswegen muss ich den ganzen Kram jetzt auch wirklich mal so, genau. Was haben wir denn hier so schön? Wir haben heute das ist ja ein temporärer Bericht, deswegen gebe ich dem mal einfach so den Namen mit E-Mails, User Story, was ist das hier für eine User Story? 77 ist das, ne? Nee. Doch, die 77. User Story 0077, Klammer zu, dass der Name richtig eingetragen wird, genau. Ich würde so nehmen, ja, das ist ja auch der Mitarbeiter, also das würdest du mit auf jeden Fall sehen können. Ne? Gut, der Bericht ist angelegt, das ist schon mal schön. Und ich nehme jetzt einfach mal kurz diese Gruppierung hier raus. Zack. Genau, Save and Run. So. Dann haben wir die Gruppierung jetzt mal rausgenommen. Und dann kann man nämlich auch auf dem Beleg hier entsprechend sehen, was man da hat. Also hier kann man das ein bisschen anders noch sehen, sage ich mal. Ne? Hier siehst du ja, dass die Reihenfolge ein bisschen anders ist als hier. Aber das ist halt zwei verschiedene Ansichten, ist ganz gut. Du siehst hier in der Übersicht, dass es falsche E-Mail-Adressen gibt. Das heißt, der Algorithmus funktioniert soweit schon ganz gut, gar nicht mal so schlecht. Aber es gibt halt noch gewisse Dinge, die halt noch nicht so ganz gut laufen, sag ich mal. Deswegen ja, müssten wir halt mal gucken, dass das halt korrekt alles reinkommt, sag ich mal. Ne? Das heißt, das Ziel ist es, dass nachher hier am Ende korrekte E-Mail-Adressen stehen, zum Beispiel, ne, bei diesen Sachen hier.
Zum Beispiel so genau diese E-Mail-Adresse oder...
Das muss die E-Mail-Adresse sein. Moment, das Ziel muss ich dann natürlich nennen, das ist richtig. Ich will kurz gucken, habe ich hier eine spezielle... Ich gehe mal kurz auf diesen Datensatz drauf und zeige dir das. Gut, das ist ja sozusagen das Bild dahinter, ne, wie das aussieht. Und ich mache mal jetzt, glaube ich, den Livestream aus für YouTube, weil jetzt ist langsam gut gewesen.